How to change the air filter in your Ford Explorer. I am Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. On this Ford Explorer, we're going to change the air filter. This is pretty easy. You don't need any tools. There's two clips, one clip here and one here that you need to push down and release. And then there's 3 slots here. We'll pull the cover towards the passenger side of the truck, slide it out of those notches, and then we should be able to get to the air filter. So now I have the cover up. I'm just going to go ahead, reach around, and pull out the old air filter. And I'm going to go ahead and vacuum out the air box. With the air box cleaned out, we can go ahead and install our new air filter. With the new filter in, we're going to make sure that these 3 slots are into the grooves, and then we'll snap down the 2 fasteners on the other side. Got it slotted in. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.